Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, everyone. Hope you all are staying safely and healthily wherever you are. As you all know that we have been badly hit by Corona, but then also work is the must to keep economy going. So let's work safely, healthily, and positively. With that note, let's start my today's vlog. Today, I'm going to share with you the things related to my sites. So, without wasting time, let's go to the mainstream. Okay, let's go. First of all, let me introduce with you all. I'm an engineer. I'm a civil engineer working in a construction industry. And so today I'm going to share with you the things related to my construction site, job site. That is the thing related to my site, and I'd like to introduce with you all to my site and to have a clear picture on the mind regarding the site that I'm working on. Okay. The name of the project where I'm working currently is Mahakali Bridge project. It is one of the renowned projects of Nepal. It's a big budget project, and it is this time called Mahakali Bridge project. And its employer is DOR Bridge Branch, that is Road Improvement and Development Project, Mahakali Bridge project, and its contractor where I'm working is KUMAR-CFEC JV. Its total budget is about 3.5 euro. 3.5 euro, and the objective of this project to be introduced is that to link National Highway of Nepal, that is East-West Highway in the Far West, to the National Highway of India, and to increase the trade between Nepal and India, and to provide easy accessibility to the people of Nepal here in Mahendranagar. And to link Mahendranagar with our very own land, that is Chandani Dudara, currently Mahakali Nagarpalika, as it has been combined, and to have access, that is a motorable access. Okay, that is light. introductions. And here in picture we can see this is the design map of this project. We can see, and butterfly cephid design is so designed that to attract tourists as well. You can see clearly there is a butterfly cephid. I will go through it one by one later on. Yes, butterfly cephid design. I'm showing this. This is a design map. And with reference to this drawing, I like to introduce about the components of this project. What are the major components and what are its basic features? What are its basic features and how it is different from other side of the project. This butterfly cephid design in the main bridge section in the budget of approx 3.5 crore of Nepalese rupees has the following basic components. And we can see, first of all, that is the main bridge that is over Mahakali river. So its project and the name of the project itself is Mahakali Bridge Project. 800-meter bridge, that is also 4-lane pre-stressed box girder concrete bridge over Mahakali river, that is 4-lane. In total 1600 meter, that is 800 into 2. You can see the one here, and there comes the pond, 2 ponds. There we can see Mahendranagar side pond, and in the we can see in the western side, that is Dodara pond, we can say, as per the design, protected by the guide bond. And other component is 8-kilometer road, that is approach road, 8 kilometer, and that is 6-lane, 4-lane in the midway, and service lane side by side. And another component is an access bridge. That's the 30-meter bridge, that is also pre-stressed bridge. And another component, last but not the least component, that is a guide bond protected by riprap, and that is also the another main component of this project, which guides Mahakali river towards 800 meter in the middle. So it is interesting to see how it will be built in near future. It is to be done. It is said that it is going to be done for the first time in Nepal, and this 4-lane bridge is also is being constructed, and is said that it's the first time in Nepal that 4-lane bridge is under construction. That were the basic components of this butterfly cephid project, and it is being constructed for the purpose of recreation as well, where we can see the pond, that is Mahendranagar side pond, and there that is Dodara pond, where there will be island, 3 island on either pond for recreation and for recreation purpose. Okay, that's all about the design map, and I share with you, I introduce with you regarding my site, and now I'm going to show you the aerial map, the aerial view of the project, that is under construction, big budget project, and its standard is no doubt that is and it's classified as a Swan highway. Okay, without wasting time, let's move on to view the aerial map of so-called Mahakali Bridge project. Let's go with it. Please have some patience. I'm going to show you the aerial map of the under construction site with the assistance of Google Earth. That's the product of Google. Okay, let's go. Yes, this is my current location, and that is our campsite where this most awaited big budget project goes on, where the planning, preparation, design and execution comes from. This is our campsite. And it starts from Chandani, Dodara, and ends at East-West Highway, Gadachoki, and it ranges from 0 km to 8.6 km. So, without further delay and with that very note, let's start from the zero channels, from where our project starts. Let's go. This is the aerial map taken by that is the satellite photos captured by Google in the early 2019. That is the zero channels, 0 km of our project. You can see some of the embankment filling here, and that's some of here is one natural drain, natural kulo type, that is Malaria Nahar. It's a natural Nahar, Malaria Nahar, we can see, and that is our zero channels from where our project starts. And here you can see this India border we can see, and it links in future it will be linked with the National Highway of India, and there is proposed to be a tripod there too. This picture is very much fantastic. Okay, that is what we call this zero channels of our project. And start with the moment we're doing embankment filling. We can see the white portion there, we can see the widened white portion, and there is settlement area there. It's Chandani side. Okay, gradually I'll move forward and along the alignment of the project, and I'll introduce with you one by one. I'll introduce with you one by one. There is a approach road. You can see from here. Yes, the settlement in. This is the picture of settlement in Chandani side. Yes, we can see. I'm going through the alignment. Please follow. Yes, and due to the unclarity regarding resettlement and this mobja, we left this portion and we go through this. There's an embankment, and there we have got right bank of Mahakali river. There you can see right bank of Mahakali river. Yes, and in this portion, inside the river as well, we did embankment filling. You can see from here, and from where the project goes towards the river. And let me tell you one thing, that this bank to bank, right bank to left bank, is approximately 2200 to 2500 meter, and there will not be breeze. Only 800 meter breeze will be built in the center, and in this, which will be guided by river training. That's a guide bond. It will be interesting to see the guide bond, and you can see from here. Yes, interesting, isn't it? There's the satellite pictures, and with this reference I'm sharing with you. And yes, I'm moving on. It's Mahakali river, one of the big rivers of Nepal, annual perennial river. Yes, you can see here. Yeah, this is here. And in the beginning I told you that there is a pond, and there are ponds, and in the pond there are islands, isn't it? Yes. And during the time we are constructing island as well, and the satellite pictures clearly shows our work, and it is so, you can see. I gradually zoom. Yes, we can see. Yeah, this is our one of the island in pond. That's masonry structure. It was about to complete, and Google Earth captured it well, very much well. Yes. Wow, it is interesting to see. This is island number 3, and other islands are also being constructed. Wow, so interesting to see this. So this under construction sites. There is also one we were about to start, due to the river we were not able to, but Google Earth shows it as well. So foundation excavation here, interesting to see. Okay, with this note, let's move on. Let's move forward. I'm coming once again along the center, along the alignment of the road. Yes, you can see that's the parcel breeze. That's the foundation, piling works going on. This is the bridge site location, we can see. Fantastic, isn't it? There is slight diversion and slight diversions to divert the river, and for doing work downstream of it. Interesting view, and very fantastic view. interesting to see this. That's pile foundation. Let me remind you, this is the satellite pictures taken by Google Earth in early 2019. Fantastic, isn't it? Fantastic to see this. The campsites, and this is the current the site, bridge site, under construction site, piling works, and we can see masonry component, machines, boarding machines, and other things, other setups. Let's move on. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Yes, I think you are having close eye on it. See the substructures, pier cap, under construction, almost completed pier cap. You can see the two per 4 lane, two separate bridges combining into one, that is 4 lane. Yes, we're moving on. Yes, pier cap under construction, pier cap almost completed. Yes, yes. Now come to this. I'm going from west to east towards the left bank of Mahakali River, and these were the setup, and in the time 2, 3, 6 span, 3 in a row, 3 to the 6 spans were under construction. You can see it, they were about to complete, and you can see, and satellite pictures clearly shows that. You can see, I think this smart zoom is okay, I think. Okay, all right, it's nice. Yes, it's fantastic, isn't it? Oh, it feels so nice when this design map is so similar to under construction work. I think you have been noticing on, how was our design map look like. Okay, let's move on this node. Okay, that is the thing. Yes, yes. This is the starting of our what do you call this, abutment, starting of our 800-meter bridge in the east, and during the time in the west, and there was a pile foundation going on. Okay, let's move forward. Mahakali River flow, we can see the water bodies, water, and slightly move forward, just quite ahead of our campsite also, and ahead of this towards the east, and there comes left, that's the left bank of Mahakali River, and our alignment is so designed that it will go along almost parallel to the existing bank. So you keep let's go along the bridge. It was under construction, so during the time we're doing embankment filling, slight embankment fillings here, and we cannot see the works, major works here. I've already crossed our main bridge, that is Mahakali Bridge, 800-meter. Okay, and let's go. Okay, I'm moving on. Please follow. Yes, yes. This is what we call this Udali here. We're moving on. Yes, moving on. There's one important temple here, and just beside of this temple, this location, and we did embankment filling at the time, and that includes our embankment. You can see from here, this white bodies here, slightly gravel type. Yes, interesting to see. Yes, China's here about 3 plus 700. China's 3 plus 700, location of 3 plus 700 here, Bhajan Mandir here, and you can see the gravel filling. Yes, let's move on. Yes, during the time embankment filling was going on rapidly. Hope you are enjoying this video. Yes, and here from here our alignment goes slightly towards the left here, and in that section also embankment filling was going on. Let's move on. And in the beginning I told you there is access bridge here. This is one of the access bridge, that is also 4-lane type, 2 separate bridge. That is the bridge over Bujela bridge. Yes, it was completed at the time. The type pre-stress concrete bridge, there. It was already completed at the time. Very nice. Thank you very much, Google Earth, for such a nice picture. I'm very much thankful to share this to you all as well. It feels so glad that you're walking to this in the side and to see this sort of aerial scenes by Google Earth. How beautiful it will be when we capture the scenes through drone, scenes by drone, let's say. Okay, let's move on. Bujela bridge here, and let's go ahead. There we can slightly see side-in walks in the two side, left side drain and right side drain along the alignment of the road. You can notice it, and slightly moving on. There are also spots. That's a river training walks. We did it for training river towards the guidement, towards 800 meter of the main bridge. We can see. Okay, let's move on. We're moving along the alignment. This is a scenario, and at the time we were carrying out side-in walk there. Interesting to see. Yes, side-in walks and embankment filling walks going on, and resettlement walk or this site clearance walks were also going on. Okay, moving on. Okay, let's go. Yes, these are all the embankment fillings. We can see the gravel type material. Side by side there is Mahakali River. Yes, Mahakali River, side by side we are going on. This is embankment filling in this section, so we were doing embankment filling during that time. Yes, fantastic, isn't it? Fantastic. Yes. Okay, we are moving on, gradually moving on. You can see, if you closely watching, there's gravel embankment filling in this section, embankment filling, and this section is neighbor this border between Nepal and India. We can see here in the Google map Nepal is boundary with a white line, and this is around CNS 7 plus 100 of our project. There you can see, and slightly our from this section our alignment moves slightly towards the east and towards the north, and during the time there were no any magnetic feeling here. I'll try to show you just show you just the alignment. The alignment passes almost this parallel to this road. This you can see paths. Let's go. Due to the cultivated area, there is no walk. Few months later, we cleared the site and did a lot of work there. We're moving, yes, and through this is the road here, and side by side there is a Mahakali canal branch. There's Mahakali canal is a branch canal there for supply to the villages. Yes, and just our alignment just passes in the middle of these two, through the middle of these two section. You can see here, yes, almost from this section. We'll go on. There comes our next access bridge. There is also 30 meter 4-lane type, two bridges combined. There's 30 meter type pre-stress concrete bridge. Yes, that is the bridge over. That is the bridge over Gadachoki. Gadachoki Canal. Yes, Gadachoki Canal. Bridge over Gadachoki Canal. So it is called Gadachoki Canal crossing, or you can say Mahakali Canal bridge. That is also one of the access bridge. Okay, and this is almost about 8 plus 300. The chain is 8 plus 300 of our project, and our projects goes on. There is a custom office there, and through this our road links to the what do you call this highway. That's east-west highway. That's highway as 01 type. That's National Highway Nepal, east-west highway at Gadachoki. You can see here, and from here Nepal, there India, and Gadachoki. Yes, this is the end point, and this is the end point. You can see highway there, national highway. This is the somewhere here our project ends. The end of this project, that is 8 plus 600, and this is where our road that is classified as Asian highway ends here. Yes, let me zoom, and you can see here. Yes. Okay, that is what I try to introduce you all with the job site where I'm currently working on, and this is the aerial map captured by Google in early 2019, and that is of the under construction site. But currently we have progressed a lot. Okay, that is interesting to this, isn't it? Yes, this is our main bridge, and from the name of it, the project has been named Mahakali Bridge Project. Okay, and that is what I try to introduce with you. We have progressed a lot, let me remind you, and we have almost done financial progress of 46 to 47, and about and physical progress of 35% till the date. Hope you all enjoyed it well. And in the end, I'd like to acknowledge a very one respected sir, who have helped me, who have assisted me, and helped a lot during the preparation of this video, and who have been guiding me a lot in carrying out the side works in the project. I'd like to acknowledge Mr. Sushil Kumar sir, the director of KUMAR-CFEC JV, Kiran Kumar Sharma sir, and who is contract manager of this project. That is KUMAR-CFEC JV. And I'd like to thank our very own Kishore Rajpande sir, and his deputy contract manager. I'd like to thank them all, and I'd like to thank the employee team as well. And we have been jointly working on to make this dream work project comes true. And as you all know that teamwork makes the dream work comes true. With that note, I'd like to end today's blog. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next blog. Thank you.